On the previous episode before Eyayizolo, uMacele uye wathi lamakhosikazi kaMusamsele kubahlokoloze imamba isihlalele emgodini. Wathi yena usazobabonisa. Hayi ke uyabona kwi-episode yeyizolo uMacele bekasacalile because of izinto bekasikhuluma laphayana. Hey bekukuningi kakhulu. So uMusamsele kuye wafika laphayana kaMacele wazo-check uMacele ukuthi unjani since i-retreat. Makafike laphayana hayi ke uMacele wamtshela the way akwate ngakhona, the way kahle kahle anyanye ngakhona na nokuthi i-retreat nje ivetani yayenza izinto zibe worse. Now uye wacala ngokuthi ngizocala nje ngoMakhumalo. Uyabona uMakhumalo uye wathatha into right eyayenzakala kudala wayishintsha wayenza kube ngaye. Hayi okay sharp again. Yini leyo nto leyo? So previously Makhumalo uye wathi he yena no Macele bebazwana kakhulu and there was a time lapho baye bahamba bayoshuta ezomshado boyi2 basemodweni right. So mabandlula eMgababa kwayenzeka ukuthi uMacele akhulume esinye statement esithi hayi phela mina uMusamseleku bekangibrekela ngokuthi hey uMakhumalo sekazongena emagcekeni ka Mseleku uzovusa umuzi. So yena uMacele uyamangala until today akunamntana. uThobile akakavusi umuzi kaMseleku. Hayi ke that was uThobile previously makachaza ukuthi uMacele uye washo leyo nto leyo kuye. So uMacele uthi yena kahle kahle laphayana was sympathizing noThobile ukuthi hayi uyabona lento le uMusamseleku ahleze ayikhuluma ukuthi abantu kahle kahle bafunane kaMseleku if abafuna ukuvusa umuzi kaMseleku kahle kahle bazoyenzani laphayana. Uthi naye bake bamtshela leyo nto leyo ngalesikhathi aceda ukushada noMusa. uMusa amtshela ukuthi yena ufuna ingane ezu20. Watshela uMusa ukuthi yena angeke yena akusiyingulube ezomnikeza ingane ezu20. And then uMusa wabuza uMacele ukuthi okay ke umsebenzi wakho kaMseleku kuzoba yini if it's not ukwenza ingane right. So uthi yena at that time she was sympathizing noThobile ukuthi no lawo mazwi lawo mina nami bake bangitshela wona. So on the previous episode according to Macele uThobile ushintshe yonke into. Waqhubeka ngokuthi ulentuzana uMacele wathi ene futhi nawe Musa kune statement osikhulumile ukuthi bekunabanye abafazi who were against ukuthi wena uthathe amanye amakhosikazi. Wathi uMacele bengazi ukuthi ukhulumela phezukwami right because of wena according to you bengafuna ukuthi uthathe ubani uMakhumalo. Uthi no that's not the case. Now you misunderstood me right because of number 1 babakhe waletha uThobile laphayana emagcekeni wathi uThobile kuzoba yicleaner right. Jiki wena sofuna ukushada ubani uThobile. Mina ngakubuza ukuthi babakhe le ntombazana le ile ntombazana sahlangana nayo imithi right. So wena futhi sofuna ukumthatha right umshade right. So according to uMacele uthi yena kahle kahle she wasn't against ukuthi uMusamseleku athathe uMakhumalo kodwa it's how uMusa did things. Number 1 waletha uMakhumalo ukuthi kuzoba yicleaner laphayana eMzumbi right. And number 2 uMusamseleku uye watshela ubani back then watshela uMacele ukuthi yena asoze athathe umfazi onengane right. So bekabuzela phezulu kuleyo ndaba ukuthi kodwa ke the first time thina sihlangana no Makhumalo wayemithi right. So according to uMacele uMakhumalo unengane and uMusa uye wathi yena ngalesa sikhathi angeke aze athathe umuntu onengane. So bekafuna iclarity ukuthi kushintshephi right. So uMusa yena wayithatha ngokuthi uMacele akafuni ukuthi athathe uMakhumalo. Hey kuningi. Hayi ke So guys yini kusho ukuthi nje uThobile lo wabantu lo kahle kahle makafika laphana eMzumbe bekuyiclean because of manje wachubeka uMacele wathi ene nalento le ukuthi uThobile laphana ku retreat athi yena aka understand ukuthi why uMusa Mseleku ayekise uMakhwela umsebenzi. Right, uthi uMakhumalo is the last person to ask that question because of yena naye bamyekisa ukuba yicleaner eMzumbe ukuze kuzoba yinkosikazi, so she was not even supposed to ask that question. Hayi ke iproducer yazobuza umbuzo that till today as ama-fans, as the viewers of Uthando Nesithembu, sisashocked. We still wanna know, we want impendulo ukuthi because iproducer iyabuza yathi oh imani manje ikuphi ingane kaMakhumalo. Hey, bathula boyithu uMusa Mseleku nobani noMacele. Kwazophendula uMacele first, wathi uMacele uMusa Mseleku noThobile kuyomela ukuthi basho ukuthi ingane ikuphi because of the day when they decided ukuthi bona bazoshada they had an agreement ukuthi kuzoyenzakalana, so mabasho bona ukuthi ingane kaThobile nalo bekathandana naye ukuthi ikuphi leyo ngane leyo, because there is no way lapho uMakhumalo ulentuzana uMacele uye wathi uMakhumalo walahlekelwa ingane. No, uthi uMusa Mseleku makakhulume yena noMakhumalo ukuthi leyo ngane leyo ikuphi, bayenzeni ngengane. Oh my goodness, hayibo bekukuningi izolo wayikhipha igaca negaca. And then from there na iproducer yabuza uMusa Mseleku ukuthi ay Musa uyamuza ukuthi umamkhulu uthini iphi ingane. Wathi uMusa mina ngeke ngize ngiphendule kuloyo mbuzo loyo because of I'm not the one who brought up itopic yomntana kaMakhumalo. Wathi uMacele okay, so ufuna ukusitshela ukuthi wena awuyazi le ndaba. Wathi no phela mina indaba yokuthi uMakhumalo wayezithwele ngithole after ngiceda ukumshada. Wathi yena wayithola makaceda ukumshada akakhumbula ahlangana noThobile amithi ene nakhona yena wayizwa nje endaweni right, wayezwa ngabomakhelwane, wezwa makase aqedile ukumshada uThobile, kodwa ke okunye nokunye yena ukuzwa nje ngaboMacele na wonke umuntu endaweni, yena nje akakhumbuli uMakhumalo emithi uzwe ngabantu. It's a lot guysini, like uMacele is very much keen ukuthi you know what, from here going forward ngizokhuluma yonke into because of bangibonisile lamakhosikazi ukuthi bone they are not going to hold anything back. Guys, no, this is too much. This is too much. Angisanibulisa ngivele ngangena endabeni. Sanibona, I hope ukuthi right, I hope ukuthi niphilile guysini. If it is your first time, please do subscribe and hit that notification bell, and please give this video a thumbs up. Guys, it is as easy as 1 2 3. Just go into the comment section and tell me exactly ukuthi what do you think? Where do you think umntana kaMakhumalo is? Like tell me what are your thoughts about this whole thing. From me to you, Sana, ngiyanthanda.